In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team by creating a user group on the Clickup project management tool. Clickup is a versatile tool that helps you streamline your work and manage projects efficiently, and today I'll guide you through the process of setting up a user group so you can collaborate seamlessly with your team. First, let's head over to the Clickup website. Open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, you'll see the Clickup homepage, which provides a comprehensive overview of what the platform has to offer. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage where you'll find the Login button. Click that to proceed to the login page. Here you have several options to log in, but for simplicity we recommend using the Sign in with Google option. Click on this and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure to choose the account associated with your Clickup workspace. This will streamline your login process and bring you directly into your Clickup dashboard. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your dashboard. You'll find a profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of settings and options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Clickup workspace. Now that you're in the settings, look for an option labeled Teams. Click on Teams and you'll be directed to a section where you can view and manage all your existing user groups. This is where you'll create a new team to collaborate on projects and tasks. Click on Create a Team. This is where you begin to set up your new user group. You'll need to assign a name to your team. Choose something descriptive that easily identifies the person